Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we show you how to label Google Calendar colors. This is a great way to organize events visually and quickly identify different types of schedules. Let's get started. On your Google Calendar dashboard, as you can see here, we have different kinds of categories. For example, we use yellow for birthdays, pink for events, blue for tasks, and work. To add a category color in Google Calendar, all we need to do is click this event and select it. For example, if it's for a birthday, let's say it's a friend's birthday. Here, we just need to change the color. Since it's a birthday, we will change it to yellow so that we can know right away that it's a birthday. As you can see, when it's a birthday, we can know right away that this one is for a birthday because it's colored yellow. And that's how we label Google Calendar with colors. With these simple customizations, we can make our calendar more organized and easier to read at a glance.